Hill front. Everyone, south, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Kite back to choke. Kite back east side choke now. Kite back east side to choke. East side choke. Hold them on the choke. How many seconds?
3, 2, 1, up.
Okay. Oh, dude. Yo, there's a caller in front, ah. Yo, ready. Defend now. Fake. Sorry, fake. Shallow, on the caller. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the skull. Defend. Good. Reset your cooldowns now. Another engage coming. Reset your cooldown. Yo, don't stay on the choke, guys. How many seconds? Hold them. How many seconds? Everything southwest.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. Now come back east side. Come back east side. Kite back. Kite east side. We go east side choke, okay? Now walk west. Walk west. Hold them. I hold them south side. Hold them. A lot of people died there, right?
Yes.
Dami.
Okay. Cleanses. You cleanse.
Looking.
South. Ready to headbutt, okay? South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me alone. On me.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Kill this guys. Yo, reset your cooldown, ah. They're stepping up a bit, ah. Reset your cooldown, okay? They're on the southwest side, okay? Ah. Yo, some tanks watch my southeast, okay?
English na.
Marlika, step up southwest, okay? Wait, nah, come back. Yo, weaker tanks inside. Shallow on me, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top me. Nice one. Kill.
Looking.
Come back northeast. Ready, defend now. Yo, guard runes. Go back to the choke. Pass the choke. Guard runes on the choke. Reset your cooldown fast.
They're getting stuck.
South. Step up. South. Look at south. Hold south side for me. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, come back north. Sige, come back north. We reset first. Guard runes front. Help front. Cleanses. Help front. Demon. Full defend. Good. Reset.
Thank you very much.
How many seconds? How many seconds?
Ready.
Up.
Good. Shallow, okay? Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kill it. Okay, come back. Sige. We need to kill the tanks, ah.
Coming up.
Oh my god. Ay!
Careful front. Your front, don't be too far, please. Don't be too far. Help Selex. Help my people. Reset first.
Tinitignan ko kasi yung parang bomb sa may west side.
Okay.
Natulog ako.
Yo, shaper.
Wala kay demon doon.
Wala.
Nasa yung shaper ko.
15 seconds,
Shaper
demon.
naman.
May nag-demon.
Okay, just hold.
12 seconds.
Ito.
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Bobo niya.
Bobo, high card.
Reset. Yo, careful over the wall. Ready. Wait lang. Everyone, step up. 5, shallow. West side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Come back. Full defend on the choke. Reset. Hold them. Yo, reset. Hold them. How many seconds? Hold them. How many seconds? Everybody on the G. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the J. Now kite back east side. Yo, kite back east side. Left down, hold them. Push on. Cleanses. Nice one. Walk in. Yo, hold the southeast. Southeast looking. Defend. Defend. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast.
Color to, yung cook.
Okay, now hold. Careful. Come northeast. They have engaged. Come back. They have engaged. Defend front. Good. Reset. Walk now. How many seconds cooldown? Now walk southwest. Deep. 5, deep, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep on me, 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 deep on me. Come back northeast, defend sa backline, heal backline, come north, We go back choke.
Southeast side merong
Yeah,
bama.
we go back choke, sige, we go back choke. It's good,
Pahil
it's good.
muna.
It's good, we're healthy. Come back north,
Some heals.
Come back north, help front. Guard runes and guards. He'll touch me, okay? Reset. You have fucking disrespect that you say that you're fucking on par with us.
Ready, Mogi, ready.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Nagre-reset yung chariot natin
yeah. Yo, ready, fake only. West side, get ready. Headbutt, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side. Now, kite back. We full kite. Yo, full kite. Help everyone on the choke. Defend. Demon. Now, kite back. Good. Reset your cooldown. Deft ang hold them on the choke. Reset. Shaper. Okay, reset. Sige. Reset. Yo, regear fast. Yo, wag kayo sa
Hindi
dito.
pa may get dun.
Kanina pa may shaper dun eh. Dumidikit kayo dun eh. Okay. Yo, shaper again without any damage. What the fuck? Bang, patay ka na ba?
Di pa.
Yo, fake.
Fake.
Shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the choke. Okay, come back. Kite back east side. East choke. Defend. East side. Kite. Heal hazard. May shaper kasi. Okay, good. Are they not passing through? Heal up, touch me. Okay, shaper. Gemma, wag kayo dumikit sa outside, man. There's a fucking shaper there. What's so hard to understand? There's a shaper on the south side.
Dalawa yan.
The west side has no damage. The south side is like fucking pain, man.
Four two lang
north
yun.
side has-
Meron nga.
Fake. Yo, get ready. Leandro, get ready Papull ng past the choke. Ipupull ko sa choke Leandro. Okay? Wait, guys. Wait.
Regear fast, guys. Wala ko ng
I'm waiting for my regears. I'm waiting for them to regear. So we have things to farm.
Level 28 na sila.
Dimbi.
Parang di nabawasan
Sarap nun Solo
Wala,
headbutt.
Yo, get ready.
Shaper.
Yo, guys, don't be at the south side. Just stay north side.
May bridal na rin sila.
Stay at the north side.
High card
Pero meron yata recording sa move.
Everyone counter south shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt south shallow. Now, we kite east side now. Yo, kite east side. Left and hold them. Kite east side. Come east.
Walang
Yo, guys,
damage sila.
Reset. Yung shaper lang yung masakit eh. In V Fury bomb east side Watch it, guys.
Wait lang, pack up yung sa demon.
I'm waiting for the gears. It's fine. Careful, GA. What the fuck is that GA even?
Wala, naka-tier 4 lang to. Okay na makulit ka.
Shaper.
Ulihin kayo natin yung Boogie.
Si high card yung
Malayo
naka
Maabot kayo. Mas set up ko para sa'yo.
Sige.
High card yung
Next time
shaper.
na gawin nyo yun. Yo, Pike, the next time that shaper comes in, I'll have my tank like catch him. Can you try to pull him? We try to kill that motherfucker. Okay. Is my regear back? I mean, dude, we're 9 disarray, you know?
Full na yung party to.
Okay. Yo, step up a bit. Come back. Wait, chill. Chill. He's gonna come soon. Get ready to headbutt that shaper Tanga yung nagsha-shaper na yan eh.
Sa galing ako.
No, mas magaling ka.
Oh,
Yo,
Ay na mo ba?
yo, perma engage on top of me. Get ready. Wait. Step up. Perma engage on top Wait. On top of me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Oh, fuck, I missed. Come northeast. Kite back. Kite back. I missed. Sadly. It's okay, that's a fake. Just guard rune, and help everyone come back. I think the Shaper's gonna come, reset. Where's the Shaper? Yo, get ready, headbutt, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt. Come back. Reset your cooldown, boys. Reset your cooldown.
Careful. Shaper.
Shaper looking,
Nag-i-stack.
Yo, Shaper stacking. Yo, get ready to catch, Yo, you have engage?
Yes, ready.
Okay, hold on.
Hindi ko Jay ko muna.
Mamaya, pag nag-ano siya.
Ano kay Jay, ano yung Shaper?
High card.
Meron na rin cluster sa main southeast side movie.
Okay. I see it. Come northeast.
30% nagtatago sa Terry. Natingin yung high card Ay na, Shiba!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Shaper! Kill the Shaper! Gago. Come back. Dude, like, oh my god, high card. Dude, I don't know, man. He doesn't have any tank like stopping him. Like he's fucking engaging by himself.
Retarded!
Ay, kidnap.
May isa pa.
Labong pa yung high card to death daw.
Second E3 na yan.
Yo, get ready. Yo, can we try to catch the tanks? Look at the west side. You see I mark him a west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him. Okay, come back. We miss. Come back. Guard runes, boys. Guard runes. They're gonna engage on the choke. Make sure you reset. Get ready to headbutt. Hold them. How many seconds? Everyone on the choke. 5, headbutt, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt inside. Then kite back. Kill everything inside. Okay? Heal. Matay si Ali. Yo, come northeast. Yo, heal front. Help front. Affer. Heal front. I need my heals in front. Okay, good. My perma died. We wait for the perma.
Nakidap.
Ay, pa.
Chrono, pabadon Chrono. Need ko ng DPS. Or longbow.
Set up na ako Superhero build.
Sit-up ka na.
Oo, superhero to boy. Ano mo?
Ano yan, man?
Sasabihin ko
Doy,
sa'yo pre.
anong man, Doy?
Oo, walang mandoy lang.
Yo, chill first. I'm waiting for the game.
Huwag yung pansinin niyang i-shaper na yung nakapir. 4.2. Naka-portal lang yan. Okay. Ang laki na ng disarray nyo, naka-porto ka pa.
Headbutt 5, full headbutt 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt. Headbutt. Now come back. We kite full east side. East side. Guard runes on the choke. East side. Yo, sa GA, careful sa GA. You have my people at GA Come east side first.
They're not pushing.
Okay. Dude, why the fuck do they want to push? They're fucking 30 disarray.
I'm kind of stopping them.
Everyone get ready.
Zero, you're gonna die there again.
Yo, Zero, be careful, Zero. I might be Shaper again. Fake.
May D-tanks ba tayo?
SNWs niya yan.
Yo, Leandro ako fake Get ready ka mag-engage Huwag ka masyadong deep, jeep. Sa choke lang tayo mag-engage. We're just gonna headbutt the choke, okay? Wait. Yo, step up a bit, okay? But we're not gonna commit. We're not gonna commit. I'm just gonna fake, then we're gonna go back, okay? Then we're gonna go back, okay? Step up a bit. I'm faking. Okay, come back. Go back. Ready, okay? Ready your potions, okay? We're gonna full commit, okay? Southside, power bot, southside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything's outside. Full headbutt. Drop all defenses. Everything. The kite east. Okay, hold them here. Yung mana iwan dito, hold here. Reset your cooldowns. Help everyone. Kill everyone inside. Tell me your cooldowns. Hold them.
Up.
Everything southwest on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke, on the choke, on the choke, on the choke, on the choke. Kill everyone inside, kill everyone inside, kill everyone inside. Then kite back east side, kite east side, kite east side. Okay? No. Kite, no,
Hold it,
brawl inside, 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 brawl inside. Spread,
Madami to nasa
Guys,
south.
nakademon ako.
spread east side.
May
Okay?
kalaban sa north, may kalaban sa north.
Okay, come east side, 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 kite. Ready defenses, cleanses, okay? Hold, walk southwest now, Everyone, deep southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep southwest, it's the whole circle, go! Let's fucking push now.
Sa southeast, mga DPS to, ang dami dito.
Yo, kill everyone inside. Yo, can you someone get the banner? Yo, don't push the choke.
Lex,
Don't
maganda
push
yan.
the
Walang nag-aabang
Okay. Come southwest. Push southwest. Okay, push southwest. Holy shit, Chibal! Everyone, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Kill this guy inside.
May one shot sa likod mo.
May pa mga
Heal. Okay, good.
Heal front, Ace.
Oh, heal front. Okay.
Thank you.
Come southeast. What's the disarray now?
Wala na yan.
22
Focus na
disarray.
yan.
Parang hindi nababawasan. Yo, come southeast. Catch southeast. I'm gonna fake. Everything southeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Kill everyone on the gate. Okay. Good. Yo, can somebody watch my northwest side? Start bonking the walls here.
Pinapatay si Select Circle.
Okay lang yan, one shaper lang yan.
Yo, shaper?
Ano yun? Tunay ba na shaper?
Hindi. It's not high card shaper.
Hindi kita ma-invite. Please.
Yo, wait. Do you guys have a lot of loots na?
I have 6 M.
Wala.
Kanila na yan.
10M
Do
sa
you
akin.
guys have...
Tara, ba?
Okay, sige. Come north. Yo, boots. Occult.
Loko! Ulo!
Mount up. Yo, mount up.
May umapak sa ako, no?
Nakamos na ako, upgrade